Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the PM Silver Bullet for Wednesday, September 27th using the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator. You can get that below in the description of this video. Click on the Discord group. It's free Discord group. There's a lot of good things in that Discord group, and one of the things you get is the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator for free while you're a member of the Discord group. So the description below this video is the link to join the group. Then you just go to the Kraken channel and you'll see the information. All right, so right here is the 2 o'clock hour, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator, and we are going to scroll down, and we are going to see what is available right here. Now, when I start the PM session, I start with the New York lunch, because most of the time, that's what I'm looking for. So I turn that on, and we'll see that the New York lunch high, New York buy-side liquidity, has not been taken yet. Okay, and we see that the New York lunch low has just been taken, right? So we just took this liquidity. All right, so when we take that liquidity, now I'm looking for structure to go the opposite direction, market structure shift, and seek out this liquidity, right? ICT says in the sessions, when a session liquidity is being swept, look for the opposing side to be taken. Well, New York lunch has just been taken. New York buy side's been taken. So am I going to go through the rest of these? No, because this is enough for me. This is a high enough target. We just swept liquidity. It's everything I need. So when I look at this, from what's going on right here, I see that there is a fair value gap right here, a market structure shift right here. This is the swing high that created the new low, and it broke right here. I would pull the fib from here to here. Let's pull the fib, and let's see, optimal trade entry is right down here. This fair value gap is in discount to go long, so there's also a fair value gap right here. Would I take this entry right here? No, because it's in a premium, and I don't want to buy in a premium. Now I want to have a fair value gap in a discount. Okay, sometimes you have no choice. You have to take a trade on there. Ideally, you want to be in discount. Yes, there's some trades that I take that are like that, but it's usually other structural components with it. So right now we'd like to see if it's going to pull back a little bit more. So we're just going to play it by ear and candle by candle and see what happens. All right. That's just the top of it. I'm going to see if it comes back into a little bit more. So we get a little bit more in discount. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm going to buy 2 here. Put the long position on, and we're going to target the New York lunch. I like full round numbers, so 23 is what we're going to go for, just a little bit above. Could go 1 or 2 ticks below, but we'll aim for that. It's fine. That is a 23 handle move, and I'm risking 4.75. Let's go to 5 right there. Okay, and then let's go candle by candle and see what happens here. If it goes above the 62% right here, I'll take a partial and move my stop to break even. That would have taken me out, so I'll take one off there. Sell one there. I'll move my stop to break even plus 1 tick, so it'd be right here. Be my trailing stop. Kind of hard to see, just 1 tick above and break even. So if we get up higher like that, okay, I'm gonna move my trailing stop up at least to here. But since this is a huge move, it's gonna be below this fair value gap right here. We're talking 23 handles, right? So trailing drawdown on apex, if it comes all the way up here and takes me all the way out to break even, that is a huge trailing drawdown that I just lost. So I got to trail this kind of tight. So there's a fair value gap right here. I'll put it on the chart for you. I want to see this remain unfilled. So my stop is right below that, right? So if it comes back down and trades into this and back, I'm fine. But if it violates that, I want to be out. So that's where I'm at. Okay, there you go. Liquidity swept. Let's see how the rest of the hour plays out. Okay. All right, let's take off the low and there so you can have, because the Asian low was already taken, so I don't really need that on the chart. So let's take that off. Don't need the London, that wasn't on there. Luncheon, that's it. Okay, and then we had previous day low. Let's take that off so it's not confusing. Okay, so this is what we really had. This is what we were targeting. I'll take my trailing stop off. Take off the long here. All right, I'll zoom in. All right, so here's what we had. Oh, let me take off the fib as well, so it's not so many lines. Oops. Wrong one. All right, so we started the PM session with the sell side of the New York lunch being taken. It was taken out. We had a market structure shift. We pulled our fib from the low to the high, and we saw equilibrium was right here, and we took our trade when it got into that fair value gap. We targeted was the New York lunch, the buy side liquidity, right? It was a 23 handle move, and we took partials about 60%. We trailed our stop pretty tight because it's a huge move, and we hit our TP. Now price did move quite a bit higher, so leaving a runner probably would have been really good, but 23 handles, I wasn't complaining. So that is your PM Silver Bullet for Wednesday, September 27th, using the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator.